welcome back guys to CryptoKin News. I hope you're well. In today's episode I'm going to walk you through how to buy kin on the Ramp network. It's very straightforward. So instead of just going to the Ramp website, I would recommend that you go to kin.org and go to the Access tab and then press Buy Kin of Ramp, and you'll see why. So once the website loads, it'll actually take you directly to the page where you buy kin. So I'm going to buy 100 Great British Pounds worth. It gives you your amount. Just enter your email address. Mine's already populated because I've used this before. And then just press proceed. In this one, make sure you put in your Solana kin address where you want your kin to go to. Please be careful and do not send it to the wrong address because you could risk losing funds. After that, just press confirm and proceed. So what I'm going to do, at the moment the card option isn't actually working. I'm hoping that will be available soon because it's quite straightforward. You click that, you put in your bank details, your card details, sorry, and it goes straight to your wallet. It's so simple. But I'm going to actually try out the bank transfer. I got told that it works quite nicely and it's quite fast, so we'll give that a quick try. So press manual bank transfer and then proceed. Just double check again your Solana wallet address. You don't want it to go to the wrong address. And then press buy now. Cool. So what we're going to do now is giving us the bank transfer details. I'm just going to go ahead and send £100 to these bank details. Cool, so I've just actually sent the payment over. Didn't take very long at all, only about a minute or so. Now let's press complete. So now it will say waiting for your payment, and it shouldn't take too long at all. You're talking a few minutes, a minute or two. But like I said, once the card section is activated, it's literally instant. You know, it's as fast as buying something off an online merchant like Amazon. Cool. So that only took about a minute. I just timed it. So yeah, a minute and it's already done. That is absolutely perfect. So what I'll do, I'll just view the receipt and I'll see how long it takes to transfer to my wallet. Wow, okay, surprisingly, it actually came into my wallet within seconds of it saying it's done. Wow, so it said it was going to be minutes, but it was actually seconds. Very good. Very impressed with that. Thank you ever so much for watching this video today. It's much appreciated. I'll do another one at some point when you can actually use the credit card or debit card feature because that is even quicker. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you later.